And when I first heard it, it didn't really do much for me. But then I heard a group called Uncle Earl do it on a CD 10 years ago. So we're going to try that.
Last night the pale moon was shining. Last night when all was still, I was wandering alone in sadness out among the woodland hills. I heard the birds sing out among the trees and knew the whole wide world, my darling, was singing of you. We're singing of you. Singing, we're singing of you. And all the birds, my darling, we're singing of you. I think of you in daytime, dream of you by night. I wake and wish you were here, love, and tears are clouding my sight. Those flowers that slumber so sweetly, the stars above the blue, the whole wide world, my darling, is thinking